Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to be discussed about JMenu bar, JMenu items, and JMenu. The JMenu bar class is used to display the menu bar on the windows or frame. It may have several menus. The object of the menu class is a put down or a drop down menu component, which is displayed from the menu bar. The object of JMenuItem class adds a simple labeled menu item. The item used in a menu must belong to the JMenuItems or any of its subclass. On my screen, you can see here the menu bar and the menus and the menus item. So this first row is a menu bar here, file is a menu, and new is a menu item. And these are the sub items of the menus. Now we just go to the coding example and see how we create these menus bar. So I just import java x.swing.j frame library first. Then I just import java x.swing.j menu library. And then I just import java x.swing.j menu bar library. So in this coding example, I just create JMenu and JMenu bar only. Then I just create a class which is private and JMenu bar, which is menu bar as an object here, which is equal to new JMenu bar. Here I just simply create a window to a menu bar. So here I just extend this class from JFrame. Remember that. Now after creations of this frame, I just write public and here the class name which is JMenuBar and then string title. Okay. Then I just write set title is the name of title. So this is a string here. Now afterwards I just go to the set default close operation and then here I just write exit underscore on closed. Okay, then after that I just add the menu bar to the window. So for that I just write set j menu bar and here I just passed menu bar. So this is the variables. Okay, now our menu bar is added to the window. So now JMenu, so JMenu and then I just write file menu which is equal to new JMenu. Okay, and here I just write the string which is the name of file. You can see here this is a file. So we just create a menu only with the name of file. I just create one another menu. So JMenu, sorry, I just closed this with yes JMenu and here I just write JMenu and I just write edit which is equal to new JMenu and here I just write edit. Okay, so this is a capital M. So our second menu is created here. If you want to add the third menu of source, so you just simply write source here and then source. Okay, so we have three menus here: file, edit, and source. Now I just add the file menu. So menu bar dot add, and here I just write file menu. So first of all, I just add the file menu here, and then I just write menu bar dot add, and this is the edit here. Then menu bar dot add, and then here I just write source. So this is our variable to the menu bar. So b is a small, so that's why just these one not taking. And now we just go to the main method. So public static void main, and then I just write a string and arguments. Now here I just write this name JMenu bar, and here I just write window, which is equal to new JMenu bar. And here I just set the title of my page, so which is eclipse. Okay, so this is my title of the window, and then I just write window dot set boundaries to it. So first one is the 30, and then 30 and 300 and 300. So this is height and width, and this is x-axis and y-axis. And then I just write window dot set visible, and the visible here is true. Now I just check the output for this code, and you can see we have the three menus like this one: eclipse, file, and edit and source. I just told you here I just only create JMenus and JMenu bar. So here you can see this is my JMenu bar, and these are my menus. Now we just turn to the another example of Java JMenu items and JMenu. Here I just create a class JMenu bar 1. So here I just copy this library, and then java x dot swing, and then here I just write JMenu menu and sub menu. So we have three, sorry, it's sub menu. So here comma. Okay, so we have the two variables, which is the sub menu and the JMenu of the class of JMenu. So JMenu, and here I just write JMenu item, then I just write I1, item number 1, sorry, item number 1, item number 2, and item number 3, 4, sorry, 4, and item number 5. Okay, now here I just create a method for JMenu bar, and then JFrame, which is f is equal to new JFrame, and here I just write menu and menu item, and then close this code. So this is JMenu bar 1 class name, and here JMenu bar and MB as a menu bar. So new JMenu bar. So I just create a menu bar here and then menu which is equal to new JMenu, and here the name of this is the menu here. So I just write the name of this is file. Okay, then I just create the menus sub menu, and here I think yes, run history, and these are the sub menu. Okay, now I just write sub menu which is equal to new and J menu. Okay, and here I just write sub menu is like file, and here I just write edit. Okay, here I just write edit. Now I just write I1 which is equal to new J menu and then menu item, and then here I just write first menu here is new, and then I just copy this menu for 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 3 4 and 5 here. Okay, so here file new open and open file and then save and save as. Okay, now I just add these menus in the list. So here menu dot add, and here's the I1. Okay, then 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then I just add mb dot add, and here add the menu, and then after that I just write, sorry, here I just write menu dot add, and add is the menu here. Okay, and sub menu. Okay, sub menu, and then mb dot add which is the menu. Now I just set the frame, so set JMenu bar, and here I just pass the object as parameter as the MB, and f dot set size, and the size here is 400, and then I just write f dot set layout, and the layout here is null, and then f dot set visible, and the visible here is true. Okay, then I just write public static void main, the main class, and the main class here is strings arguments, and new, and the new here is my class name JMenu bar. Okay, now I just check the output and the file, and edit is my sub menu. You can see here the edit is my sub menu, and then save as, new, open, and open file, and save as and save. So these are my menus here. So you can see here I have these menus but not a sub menus. So what we do for the sub menus? So I just want to make these two as a sub menus. So I just write only with the sub menu like I4 and I5. So file, edit and save as is a sub menu of the file. Now we just go to the third example of this lecture where we create JMenu bar and JMenu and JMenu items together. Like this is also example of these type like menu JMenu bar, JMenu and JMenu items. But we just go to the another example, and here I just write the example name which is menu files. Okay, so here I just create an example, import a library which is javaswing.jframe, and then import javaswing.jmenu, and then javaswing.jmenubar and javaswing.jmenuitem. Now we have the file name which is the menu file, and then public static void main, and here I just use final string. Okay, and then arguments. So the question here, why we use final in the main method? So adding final to the main is would prevent the accidental hiding of a main method. You can say in other words, adding final to a main is generates that means main is not allowed, means like we have two main like a dot main and then b dot main. So when we just not use the final, so we just use only one main, but when we just use final, so we are not allowed, means we are generated that b main which is not allowed, and that c main therefore point a as the opposite of the instance. So in very simple word, you can declare the main method as a final, but declaring a main method as a final will not make any difference. Means final means that the method cannot be overridden by subclass, and as we know that we cannot override a static method, hence this final will be redundant. Now we just go to the mm, example, and j frame, which is the frame is equal to new j frame. Okay, and then the frame name. So I just write ABC, and then I just write frame dot set default on close operation. So j frame dot exit on close, and then j menu bar, which is equal to, sorry, j menu bar which is equal to new j menu bar. Okay, and here I just write j menu and then file menu which is equal to new j menu, and here I just gave it the menu name which is file. So file menu, and then file is a string. Now file menu dot set mnemonic. So set, sorry, here I just write set mnemonic, and the character here is key event dot wk and underscore f here. Okay, now menu bar dot add menu, which is the file menu. Now file new and n mnemonic. So here I just write f mnemonic, and now I just write n as a mnemonic. So JMenu item and new menu item, which is equal to new j menu item. Here I just write new, and then I write key event, which is dot vk underscore n, and file menu dot add, I just add the file menu, and which is the new menu item. Okay, now frame dot set j menu bar, and here I just write menu as a menu bar, and then frame dot set size, and the size here is 350x 250. Okay, now frame dot set visible, so the set visible here is true. Now I just check the output. You can see file new, and you can see here file and the new. So this is the menu bar, file, menu, and then sub menu, means the menu item. So here first of all I just import Java AWT event key event library. You can see here key event library. Then I just import Java menu bar, Java frame, and Java menu items library. Then final as a string, and then window name as a ABC. It is on close operation. Okay, and then JMenu, which is a new bar, so I just create a menu bar here, and then file menu. So here I just mnemonic the F here, and then means file and menu. You can see a mnemonic the file menu, and then mnemonic the file new. Okay, then I just add this file into the file menu, and then add this files mean new file into the menu bar. So this is the example of the file menu bar, and file menu items in Java. Thanks for watching.